actually putting push piers underneath the foundation. We use the excavator to usually dig out the holes, hand shovels. So we have to dig out the entire foundation, go underneath the foundation, and then we put a bracket in there, and then we actually drive pipe hydraulically down to bedrock. It's going to stabilize the house future sinking, and also can actually correct the house if it already sunk. We can actually lift it back into place in some cases. I recommend them, just how long they've been in business for. Also, they got good reviews, plus we got a pretty good warranty.
If we can lift a highway, we can lift your driveway. Go to woodsbasementsystems.com.